Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI and I am on a journey to improve the quality of my sleep, and I want to show you this sleep mask that has been helpful to me. This is from Peace and Quiet, and this is a 3D cushion sleep mask, and let me tell you, this thing is pretty great. So this sleep mask does an incredible job at completely blocking out light. So if you are somebody like me who really needs to have it super dark to be able to fall asleep, this is the way to go. Not only does it block light super well, it's comfortable. So I have found in the past that sleep masks can be like very constricting and it feels like your eyes can't move. But check out this 3D effect on this eye mask. You have all this space here where your eyes can freely move. So it's super, super comfy no matter what position you are sleeping in. And you can even blink your eyes if you need to and still have the light blocking and the comfort that you want. So this strap is adjustable and it's elastic, so you can get a really nice fit. And the nose bridge here has this really comfortable sort of satiny material, and you can actually kind of adjust it and push it down. So you are getting total darkness, but very comfy and cozy as well. I have found that this is really effective even if it is daytime and you are trying to sleep or take a nap. It really blocks the light very, very well. It's comfortable and it really adds to the quality of my sleep. I would highly recommend this mask from Peace and Quiet. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.